Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on OrganiGram. I've talked about them in the past here on the channel, and as you can see, I'm a little bit behind on this one, but this is OrganiGram, ticker OGI. Started doing a bunch of MJ plays today. Sundial's up, did some information on Tilray, Aurora, Sundial, High Tide. I always like to turn those videos out, and High Tide's probably my favorite right now, but just got on a MJ kick. Some of them are up, some are not, so this one is up a little bit, but it's not near my cost basis. So again, OrganiGram, ticker OGI. Here you can see what it's done over the last year, up over 83%. In the last 3 months, it's actually down a little bit over 16%. Last month, down, let's call it 1%. Down a little bit over 2% in the last week. And here today, it's actually up 1.5%. So we'll see what it continues to do throughout the day. So again, this is a medical MJ. It focuses on producing these products for patients and adult recreational consumers. Founded in 2010, $673 million market cap. And again, as the rest of them are currently at a hold, majority of the percentage is being a hold. And here's the next earnings coming up on the 29th. As you can see, I bought some back in March, $3.05. So that's why my cost basis is the way it is. But anyway, just keep it and hold it so I don't sell for a loss. But as it says here, hold. So I'm going to continue holding it. So even if it didn't say hold, I would continue to hold it. These are long-term plays for myself. And here's some information come out. Is OrganiGram stock on course for another boom or bust? And this is dated on the 4th, so a little bit older information, but still relevant if you're interested in OrganiGram. The shares traded were 3.86 million, with the beta value of the company hitting 1.17. At the end of the trading day, the stock's price was $2.33, reflecting an intraday gain of 2.64%, or 6 cents. The 52-week high for the OrganiGram share is $6.45. Puts it down minus 176.82 from the peak. Registered a 2.64% upside in the last session and has traded in the green over the past 5 sessions. Stock spiked 2.64% on the intraday trading to $2.33 this Wednesday, 11/3/2021, hitting a weekly high. The stock's 5-day stock performance is 4.02% and has moved by 1.75% in the last 30 days. Consensus price target of analysts on Wall Street is $3.08, which implies an increase of 24.35% to the stock's current value. Extremes of the forecast give a target low and a target high price of $2 and $4.38 respectively, as OGI is trading at a discount, minus 87.98% off of the target high of 14.16% off of the low. So it's got some catching up to do. What makes OrganiGram Holdings one of the best momentum picks? I like to diversify into all of them. That's what made me get into this one. Plus, it was a cheap stock at the time, even though I am down. So I'll just continue to hold it. And I also am in numerous MJ ETFs that I've also talked about here on the channel. I'll link those in the description as well. So the shares rose in value on Friday, November 5th, which the stock price was down minus 2.38% from the previous day close, as strong demand from buyers drove the stock to $2.26. Just going to scroll through the rest of this since it's a little bit older information, but some of you still might be interested in it. And got some more up-to-date information here just around the corner. Will current price volatility hamper OrganiGram Holdings Incorporated future potential, and this is just dated 3 days ago on the 9th. Beta value of 1.14 has seen 4.09 million shares traded in the recent trading session. Company currently valued at $938.80 million, closed at the recent trade at $2.35 per share, which meant it lost 13 cents on the day, or minus 5.24% during the session. OGI stock price is down 174.47% off of the 52-week high price of $6.45 and 54.47% above the 52-week low of $1.07. Sporting in the red today. So, I've been in the red on this one, as you can see, for quite some time, but projected low target of $2, while the price target rests at a high of $4.38. And moving on here, OrganiGram is worth investing in. So, like I said, I like to invest into each one of them. You never know when one's going to hit. I mean, some are down, but they could all be down, but you could have a couple hit, and you never know what's going to happen with it. So, last check on the previous day was $2.25, and the monthly beta was reading 1.17, with the price kept floating in the range of $2.21 and $2.29 on the day. Considering the 52-week price range, OGI high price of $6.45 and a low of $1.07. So it's had some volatility on this one, but I'm just waiting it out, and like I said, it's a long-term hold of mine. So, and nothing there on Reddit. Over here on StockTwits, currently at $2.25, low of $1.07, high of $6.45. If it went down to there or close to it, I'd probably pick up some more to lower my cost basis, but again, just going to hold this one. $2.34, the best you could do. Debt loaded. Sundial did better than this. Ouch. If you're saying Sundial's doing better, you got a POS there, so bring some love to OGI. A little scary movie action here. High Tide did a video on that one earlier, and it just keeps climbing. So that's my new favorite. Gotta love it. Little Breaking Bad action here. OGI. Just did a video on Aurora, OrganiGram, doing one now. CGC, I haven't done one. Tilray did that earlier, and haven't done one on Cron in a while, so that might be due for an update. Here on TipRanks, a moderate buy of $3.18 with a high of $3.57, low of $2.78, and showing a moderate buy here. So if you have OrganiGram, go ahead and list that in the comments along with your cost basis. Any other information you might have on this one that we can share, and if there's any other favorite MJ plays out there you want me to take a look at, I'd be happy to take a look at those as well. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, Falling Forward Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.